No gym, no equipment, still building muscle. Ever seen an anime character train in a mountain with nothing but gravity and pure discipline? Yeah, muscle doesn't care about dumbbells. It cares about tension. Listen, if you think you need machines to grow muscle, someone sold you a lie.
Oh, man.
Today, I'll show you how to build real muscle at home. No weights, no excuses, just smart training. Think of this as your training arc. Most people fail at bodyweight training for one simple reason. They treat it like cardio. Fast reps, half range, zero control. Muscle doesn't grow from movement. It grows from tension. Tension is what tells your body to adapt or stay weak. Now pay attention. There are 3 rules. Rule 1, tempo. Slow down. If your rep takes 1 second, your muscle didn't even wake up. I want you moving like this. 4 seconds down. Pause for 1 second, 2 seconds up. Slow reps mean more tension. More tension means more growth. This alone will humble you. Rule 2, leverage. Make exercises harder without adding weight. Push-ups too easy? Bring your hands lower, lift your feet, shift more weight to one side. Your body doesn't count reps. It counts how hard survival feels. Rule 3, range. Half reps give half results. Deep push-ups, full squats. Stretch the muscle under control. That stretch under tension, that's growth territory. Now let's put this together. Here's a 10-minute muscle building system you can do anywhere. Slow push-ups, 3 sets. 4 seconds down, pause, explode up. Chest, shoulders, triceps. Next, slow, deep squats, 2 sets. Go deep, control the bottom. If it feels easy, pause for 2 seconds. Next, wall sit, 60 seconds. No movement, just pressure. This builds legs and mental toughness. Last, plank with slow breathing, 60 seconds. Brace your core, control your breath. Control your body like you control your mind. Here's the truth. Equipment doesn't build discipline. Consistency does. Show up, apply tension, repeat. That's how anime characters get strong. And that's how you will too. If this helped, subscribe. I break fitness down without nonsense. Consistency beats equipment. Always. Subscribe to the channel to build yourself.